Listen up, ladies, because this is for you. It's a tough love video. I know a lot of you out there are stuck in unhealthy situations, waiting for someone to hand you financial freedom. Some of you are even putting up with disrespect, abuse. Like, it blows my mind. You're putting up with abuse just because you want someone to take care of you. When you have hand, you have leg, you have eyes, you have brain that is still working. No one wants to tell you this, but that's not living. That's surviving, and it's not God's plan for your life. This 2025. The worst of them all is you now do not have the man or men to give you money safe, or you're not willing to do the things you're supposed to do for them to give you this money. That's the category I was in. Every month, I was living on God, I beg. In Christ. You know, when you don't even need much, you don't want anything extra, just enough to take care of your basic needs. But yet, Christ, that was me. But I am no longer there today because I chose to take control of my own income. No handouts, no waiting for anyone to rescue me, no victim mentality. I built a business on my own terms. And guess what? I didn't need a corporate ladder. Even when that was what I really wanted when I finished school, that was what I was vying for. I didn't climb any corporate ladder. I made my path, and you can too. Before you tell me, oh, but it's not everybody that will start business now, I was like that too. I was you. You can't tell me anything. Entrepreneurship is a who? Start my own business. The what? I don't want to do that. I was so unidirectional. No, I want to work in an office, sit down, work. That was what I wanted for myself. Am I saying it's bad? No. My intentions were pure. Yours probably is too. And if whatever you're doing is, from the bottom of your heart that is going to give you the financial freedom you need, no problem. This video is not for you. Click out. But if you are not, making money online is for people who have the right mindset. See, mindset is the foundation of everything. It's not even about your skill yet, though. It's not even about your experience. It's not about your knowledge. It's about the right mindset. You don't need a huge following or know someone that knows someone that knows someone that knows someone to make money online. You just need to leverage what you have and where you are. When I started, I had zero experience of online business. I told you I didn't want to do this. So I had zero knowledge of online business, but I knew I could help people. Now I make steady income by solving problems for people online by simply using my knowledge. I call it money intelligence. Now you might be thinking, Mfon, how do I get started? Simple. Pause. Ask yourself, what's the one thing you can focus on right now and master it? You need one skill. Others can fall into place. I am a human resource generalist. I worked in human resources for a few years, right? So I started by writing resumes. I started by teaching people on YouTube how to write resumes, cover letters, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Just one skill. I don't know the video I shared this with you. I wrote a CV for a senator. So it's something that no matter where I am, like I wake up from sleep, you meet me in my dream and tell me, okay, how do I go about this? I'll give you an answer. I'm gonna give you an answer right away. So I'm talking about real mastery because that's where the money is. Yours might be something else, right? Other skills I have mastered so far that I'm using to make money online came afterwards. But this is how I started. Now the next thing is you might doubt yourself, okay? But don't let the doubts creep in. Stop thinking I'm not qualified enough. I don't have enough experience. I wish I can register this in your heart. The real success in making money online comes from putting yourself out there. If they do not know you exist, they are not going to patronize you. You want to make money online, you have to be online. You have to put yourself out there. You've mastered your skill. You cannot carry it and put in the wardrobe, just like my certificate. You can't do that. Register this in your heart. Consistency is key. You will fail, you will make mistakes, but keep showing up. The money might not keep coming in every month. It wasn't like that. But consistency is what will get you there. Consistency is what's going to make it better. Consistency is what's going to get you where you want to be. Keep showing up. That's how you learn. That's how you grow. After mastering your skills, I mentioned how the money will not come in quickly or the money will not come in monthly. See, delete if you have the mindset of get rich quick scheme, you're not going to make a dime online. So, sis, you have to delete that mindset from your head because there is nothing like get rich quick scheme. There is nothing like that. Maybe you've heard a lot of people saying, oh, you can make money online. Oh, I made money online, like I'm saying right now. And you tell yourself, okay, let me just master this skill. And in the next 3 months, it might work for you, it might not work for you. 1 to 3 months, and then I will blow. You will not blow. Building an online business is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Focus on growing on one platform. When I started out, I wanted to grow on all the platforms at the same time. I was juggling YouTube, which is like one of the hardest platforms to grow on, with Instagram, with TikTok, LinkedIn. I was so overwhelmed. Guess what I did one day? I woke up one day. I closed my TikTok account, and then on my Instagram, I deleted all my posts. I was so overwhelmed. Focus on one. Learn the business side of whatever platform you choose, whatever knowledge you choose to share online. Learn the business side. If it's YouTube, learn monetization. Learn how to monetize your channel even before you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. I had my first brand sponsorship with less than 2,000 subscribers. So learn monetization, learn branding. Branding is created along the way, not before, but during. You don't have to spend so much time in branding from the beginning. You learn branding as you go. The internet is the great equalizer. It doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter where you live. What matters is your willingness to start. Don't wait for permission. You don't need to ask anyone if it's okay to build your dream life. Go out there, create the income you want, and stop doubting yourself. If you are stuck and you would like to jump on a clarity call with me, use the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Because you don't need anyone's approval or validation to thrive. You are fully capable of making your own money. Stop chopping insults and slap every day. You are fully capable of making your own money and being unapologetically independent. So use the link in the description if you need more clarity, if you want to book a one-on-one call with me, use the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And if you like to learn high income skills that will help you in this 2025, please join my VA simulation program. The link to sign up is in the description as well and in the pinned comments. I cannot wait to see you thrive this year. Watch the video on the screen. That's one.